In this video, let's discuss about history of clothing. Have you ever thought what materials people used in ancient times for clothing to cover their bodies? It is revealed by history that in those times, people used animals' fur, skins, leaves of trees, and bark. But as the people developed, they start to learn how to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Binds animal hair were twisted together into long strands. These strands were woven into fabrics, and these fabrics they were wear. During that time, stitching was not known at all, and the people simply draped fabrics on their different parts of body, and their ways would be different for draping, of course. With the invention of sewing needle, they started to stitch their fabrics into clothes, and stitched clothes gone through many variations since this invention took place. But nowadays there is amazing unstitched clothes being used like turban, sari, dhoti or lungi. As there is a large variety of food items exist in our country, on the other hand, fabrics and clothing items also exist in large varieties. The objective of this video was to know about history of clothing materials.